is our equation solved for x. Now what I'm going to do, last thing here. Oh, I'm almost out of time. Wow, okay. I'm going to go to Desmos, and I'm going to graph this as a function. All right, so I'm going to type it in. Now it's going to look a little different. Just let me put it in first, and then I'll explain. Sorry. All right. What you're seeing there is a graph of this. All right? This is a graph. So remember the picture. You had the piston, the connecting rod coming down, over, and x was this distance right here. What happens if theta is 0? I want you all to think about what happens if theta is 0. Theta is 0, then your picture is this, the rod, and then the center, like this. It's straight up. How long would this be? Do you all remember what these lengths were? This was 8, and this was 2, right? So that would be 10. That would be when the piston's way at the top. Then what about if theta is, we rotate around 180, so theta is pi.
4.
So from here to here would be 2, right? From here to here would be 8, because you've come all the way to the bottom. The circle goes like this, which means the distance from here to here would be 6. Look, I'm just trying to get you to see that this model shows exactly the position of x now. When theta is 0, we're at 10. And then as you move, it rotates. The piston comes down. Smallest it ever gets is 6. And then it goes back up to 10, down to 6, back to 10, back down to 6, back to 10, back over and over, right? That graph models the motion of that piston up and down. And in calculus class, what we do is we can measure, by taking the slope of the graph, we can measure how fast it's moving. So anyway, what I'd like for you to do for practice is this worksheet that I handed out to you. There's 24 problems here. I don't think you need to do all 24, but I think you should do enough where you feel comfortable with the law of cosines. All right? I'm not going to collect it. That's your practice homework. All right? Any questions on that? All right, we only have 3 classes left, right? So we're going to start doing vectors next class. Yes. Same thing from that I said last time. The online assignment, do that for extra practice. All right?